Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to remove app data on iPhone. So step one, go to settings, and from this general page, look for iPhone storage, click on it, and then scroll down to the app you want to delete its data. For example, this TikTok app, click on it, and then click on delete app. As you see, this will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone. This action can't be undone. Click on delete app. Deleting this app will also delete its data. Okay, click on delete. And as you see, once I've exited this iPhone storage and re-access it, no more TikTok app. The TikTok my app is successfully deleted. Now to install it again, just click on App Store, and then click on this search icon, and here in the search field, just then search for the app you've just deleted and install it again. And this is how to delete app data on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.